Hi guys, this week we've got snowberries, along with irises, antirrhinums, snapdragons and blooms. And I'm going to show you how to put them together. When you get your flowers, make sure to look after them. Snip an inch off the end of all your flowers and use your flower food. Let's put them together. Start with your snowberries, Latin name Symphoricarpus, in an even triangle around the edge of your vase. Fill the gaps with your magical blooms. And follow the shape round with your alstroemeria. Using the other stems for support, stand your taller antirrhinums upright in the middle. And finish by dotting your irises liberally throughout. Now that is a really rather special arrangement.